Analyzing the performance of your social media posts is crucial for understanding what content resonates with your audience. One effective way to do this is by running reports that focus on breaking down the performance of labeled posts. So, before jumping into how to create your reports, what exactly are post labels? Post labels help you organize your content and analyze it more effectively. It could be based on campaigns, content pillars, marketing strategies, or whichever works for you. These can be added when creating your post right under the caption box. If in case you forgot to do it, no worries, you can always add a label after. Now let's get into it. You'll notice Vistasocial has several report options, but we want to focus on the post performance report. When you open it, you'll see an option to choose a label next to where you can choose the day range. Just choose one of the labels to filter this report by. Now you'll be able to get insights on your campaigns, posts, impressions, and engagements, and pinpoint opportunities to optimize your social media game. If you're scheduling a report for a future date, click Schedule Report, then choose Post Performance as the report type. Then a drop-down to select your chosen post label will appear. And that's it! Now you can run reports specific to your post labels and have all the details you need to bring your socials to the next level. Want to learn more about obtaining even more advanced analytics from your bio link with Google Analytics? Then check out this next video to see all there is to know.